Welcome to the City of Champions. Welcome to Eldoret. This is the fifth largest city in Kenya after Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, and the fifth one, Eldoret. This city is known as the City of Champions for a reason. And that reason is there are so many world champions who are from this particular city. And I'm going to be giving you guys at least the name of 5 of these world champions who happen to come from this particular city. That is why this city is called the City of Champions. If you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you have not liked this video, kindly like this video. Let's discover Eldoret in 2023. This is how beautiful Eldoret looks in 2023. You know, someone said in my comment section that the reason why Kenyans don't eat pepper is because Kenyans are runners and runners don't eat pepper. Like I promised you earlier, these are the list of world champions who are from this beautiful city. The number 1 on this list is Ezekiel Kemboi. Ezekiel is a 2-time Olympic and 4-time world champion, and he is from this beautiful city. Oh my god. And the number 2 on this list is Vivian Cheriot. Hope I get that right. Vivian is also a champion and she's from Eldoret. The number 3 person on this list is Julius Yego, also known as Mr. YouTube. Mr. YouTube because he learned everything he knows from YouTube. Asbel Kiprop, Kino, Edna, there are so many of them. So that is why this city is known as the City of Champions.
We are experiencing the City of Champions, the 5th largest city in Kenya. So join us, let's experience how Eldoret looks like in 2023. This is the 5th largest city in Kenya after Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, and Eldoret. This one, and this is the City of Champions. So join us. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe as we experience this city together. This CBD. This is CBD. Okay. Okay. So guys, we are in CBD, Eldoret, Central Business District. Here you can find so many businesses, and of course you can find a lot of banks over here, including Nigerian banks like Access Bank. You can go this side. This is where you can find most. Like I see over here, you can see this is smart. There are so many things you can find over this side. This is very beautiful, guys. Let's explore. You see down there, you can see some great buildings over there. Let's explore. Hey, go that way. It's a very busy center. This is CBD, the Central Business District. As you can see, everybody hustle. Everybody are hustling, looking for the money. Wow, look at this side. No, go, keep going. Wow, there are lots of people over here, just like Nairobi. There are more people here than Nakuru. There's also Naivas over here. This is the town. Oh, okay. So my brother guy said that this is the town. Guys, every big brands are here. You can see Jumia, you can see Phoenix, you can see Techno, you can see everything. ITEL, ICS College. That should be an ICT school. Wow. Oh, okay. Okay, this is for market over here. Wow, I like this side. Guys, over here you can see all the actually you can see so many brands. Oh yes. Wow. Oh yeah, Safaricom office. And there are so many hotels around this side. Yeah, Mount Kenya University Plaza. Let's go right. Yeah, they have everything together. This is Naivas. Yeah. It's everywhere in Kenya. So that let's go see where people live. Where are the rich men living? The rich men, where they live? Fine estates, houses. This side? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is a hospital over here. It's very big. This is the School of Medicine, Medical Education Center. We need to pass this motor. It's blocking our way. Oh, okay. This is another hospital. What
Choosing gratitude is hard to free.
Oh, okay. Wow, this is an Indian church. Guys, I love how they design their churches. It's so nice. Everywhere. It's everywhere. Residential areas. Is it a hotel? How about you breed lions? This forest. This is a forest? Yeah. Wow. Hospital? Wow, guys, another hospital over here. Oh, wow.
When you're tumbling and you won't slow down, remember you're a champion. You are champion.
Look at this bridge over here. How it looks like.
Remember you're a champion.
Oh, wow.
But did you know you shine and I'm falling for the way you smile? You're gonna take the fight now, punch the lights out, 'cause you're a champion. You are. So never fall in line. You just gotta do it mile by mile. You're gonna take the fight now, punch the lights out, 'cause you're a
This is the hostel over here. That is school hostel.
Let the future light up your path, 'cause it's coming and it can't slow down. But did you know you shine and I'm falling for the way
Eldoret has a very good road networking system. You can see all the roads leading to every places are very nice. And Eldoret is quite very cold, and it looks very more busy than Nakuru. So this is Eldoret in 2023. Let me know what you think about this video. If you have a place you want us to visit, please kindly suggest the place so that we can visit the place in Eldoret, especially where the rich people hide in Eldoret. Kindly suggest a place in the comment section below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe and make sure you turn on post notification so that you get notified whenever we post more videos on this beautiful country, because we have more places to visit. More adventures are coming your way. So be sure you subscribe to the channel. Be sure you turn on the post notification to get notified on the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.
You are